What's going on, guys? We have got little man Charlie here today. This is going to be his second time out on a big bike. Is that comfortable? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Those are open. Looking good. Now, I've no doubt there's many of you out there with kids and all they want to do is come on the back. Jakey's 11, Charlie's 9, but they're going to be 10 and 12 this year. Now, they've been on their own bikes when they were younger, started them off on a little electric bikes and I got my Pee Wee 50. So they've been on bikes, but they've never actually been on the back of a big proper bike on the road. And so I thought, you know what, it's probably about time. And yeah, so I've managed to borrow some kit from a friend a few days ago. We done a little test ride, we done a little 30 minutes, some nice gentle roads, a little bit of motorway, just so they can kind of see the difference and the type of roads we may come across, just to see how they liked it, if they enjoyed it, if they didn't enjoy it. And yeah, and they both loved it and they both wanted to do it again. So obviously we went out yesterday and spent a small fortune, and we've got them all their own gear. Well, they're going to share gear, because the beautiful thing is they're about the same size as well, and I can only take one at a time. Zoe does have an MT-07, but where she hasn't been riding too long, she just doesn't know if she's got that full confidence to take a pillion, and more importantly, a child. And yeah, so I'm used to riding big heavy bikes, and luckily with this type of bike you can barely feel the kids are on the back. And so yeah, we took a nice 30 minutes the other day. They enjoyed it, and so here we are today. What did you think of your first ride the other day?
Really good, brilliant.
What was the best part about your first time?
The speed.
The speed. Obviously we didn't go above the national speed limit, did we, Charlie? No. Good answer. But it's funny to see Charlie likes the speed, Jacob didn't like the speed as much. Loved being on the bike, just wasn't as keen on the speed. So again, for myself as the main rider, I want them both to enjoy it. So obviously, Charlie, I've got this love belt on with 2 handles on, and you've also got the option of the pannier bags to hold on to. Which, as a small pillion, do you prefer using when back there?
I prefer using the handles on you.
Oh, okay. What is there a reason why you prefer those?
It just feels like more comfortable.
Yeah. And that's it. And obviously you guys are only small, so potentially trying to reach around for the pannier bags might not be as comfortable for your little arms. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, if the belt and the handles is what works for you, then perfecto. Now when you're back there, are you set up right? Are you leaning against me, or are you utilising that back box to rest and chill out?
I'm sitting properly, upright, but I'm like leaning a bit to the right to see over your shoulder.
Makes sense, because I'm not a small person. So obviously you wanna see where you're going rather than just looking at the back of my head and my back. So I like seeing your little head pop round. Now, do you reckon you're gonna want to do your bike test when you get a little bit older?
Definitely.
That's what I like to hear. So more future bikers. Yesterday when we were shopping, we managed to find you pretty much all the gear, didn't we? Bar boots.
Yeah.
Didn't manage to find any booties. So we've got Frank Thomas jacket and trousers, an ISIS I think gloves. We got a different helmet, so this is Mart's helmet. I picked up the wrong size helmet, but we have got an LS2 Rapid 2 helmet, haven't we?
Yeah, it's got a clown on.
Yeah, it's got a scary clown. It's not got a nice happy clown, so I'll go and get that size, change it up, and then we can use that next time. As soon as we got all the gear and Charlie was able to come out, the first thing he said he wanted to do was make a video. This is why he's helping me on this video today, and just giving you guys some tips and ideas for when you are going to take your kids out. Now, Charlie, do you have any advice you'd give to anyone else's kid if they've never been on a bike?
Stay safe and have fun.
Oh, perfect. Stay safe and have fun. I couldn't have put that better myself. Now, what ways do you think they could stay safe?
By holding on to someone, or if they have like hand holders. Yeah.
Perfect.
And they're just having fun.
I love it. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Sometimes it's good having a mini-me.
Yeah.
So we're going to get to the faster, twistier bits up ahead in a bit. And here we go. Ooh, easy, big dog. Easy, easy. You all good back there, mate?
Yeah.
Good. From my perspective, Charles, that I love the fact that as a biker and a dad, you're now the right height, the right size, and the right age for us to go out. It's nice that I can share it with you. And hopefully this will lead that when you get to 16, 17, you want your own bike and your own licence, and it will give you that drive to being a biker. I like that. That's nice. It's nice for me.
Nice for me as well.
Good.
Oh,
Looks dirty.
looks like it's about to rain.
It does, doesn't it? Luckily we're going that way towards the blue sky. Any last tips for any kids that are going to go on it? Apart from stay safe and have fun? What about listen to the rider?
Adult, yeah.
Yeah. I was going to say listen to the old man, but it might be a woman taking you out. Zoe might have taken you out one day. That'd be nice. But yeah, just listen, isn't it? Right. Great job. Let's kit on and let's get home. Guys, obviously this is the first time I've taken out one of the kids, and I've no doubt they'll make some more appearances as time goes on the channel. Maybe in a few years on their own bikes. Drop a comment below, let us know what age was your child when you first took them out on your bike. Interested to know. But yeah. Well, until the next time, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.